Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a little bit more of an unusual vehicle. We've got a 77 F250 in. The customer said that they're losing some antifreeze. These particular vehicles, the way the water pump mounts to the timing cover, there's some gaskets there, and those gaskets can go bad over time. We advised them that that's where the leak was. We would also need to remove the timing cover to make sure that the pass-through area was not damaged or had any corrosion in it. Once we got that timing cover off, we noticed that the timing chain had some excessive wear to it, and that needed to be replaced also. One thing at 3D Auto Repair is we look at the entire vehicle. We make sure that when we're doing one thing, if there's another situation that arises, we let the customer know that these repairs, such as the timing chain, should be done at the same time, not only to keep the vehicle running correctly, but it also helps the customer save a little bit of money on the repair. So if you've got a vehicle that's got an antifreeze leak and you're not sure where it's coming from, we'd love to take a look at that for you, provide you with a free estimate. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.